Hello fellow coders, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own chatbot using the Vercel's official SDK within a minute. Now for this you will be requiring these four different links and I'll be posting them in the description of this video. So let's get started. First of all, just open this repository link that I've uh, given and then just copy any one of these commands. Now navigate to the place wherever you want to create the application. Open the Windows PowerShell or any type of terminal. Just paste the command over there and press enter. Wait for the package to be installed. Once the packages are installed, you just have to copy these two commands over here and then paste them right here. Now the second step is to generate the API keys. Just navigate to the folder that you have just created. Open it with code. Create a new file with the name of .env .local. Then navigate to the link that I've pasted in the description. Just copy this whole thing, paste it in the .env.local. Now the third step is to generate your own API key from the OpenAI's official website. You just have to sign up at their developer platform and then go to their dashboard. Once you are here, you just have to create a new secret key. Click on done and then just go here and paste it. Here you just have to restart your server. You have just created your own chatbot. So it turns out that the language model is self-aware that it is not ChatGPT. The language model that is being used by the ChatGPT is different than what they are providing in the API. And yep, that's how you can create your own chatbot.